This isn't a Grand National, yet it can outrun some supercars, fool everyone at a stoplight, and today it's worth nearly $88,000. Meet the legendary 1987 Buick Regal Turbo T. The late 1980s gave the world countless sports cars, but only one luxury coupe quietly rewrote the rules of American performance. While everyone remembers the Buick Grand National, true enthusiasts know that one of the rarest hidden gems from Buick's turbocharged era is the 1987 Buick Regal Turbo T. Dressed in an elegant dark blue finish instead of the all-black Grand National look, this machine proved that real performance doesn't have to shout. Sometimes it simply whispers before leaving everything else behind. Today, we're taking an exclusive look at this incredible collector car valued at an impressive $87,900 and discovering why enthusiasts still consider it one of the greatest sleeper muscle cars ever built. At first glance, the Regal Turbo T looks refined and sophisticated. Its smooth G-body lines, chrome accents, factory bumpers, and tasteful Turbo T badging create a premium appearance that blends luxury with subtle aggression. Unlike many muscle cars of its era that relied on oversized graphics and loud colors, the Turbo T preferred elegance over excess. Finished in a stunning dark blue exterior, this Regal captures attention without demanding it. The iconic turbo hood hints that something special lies underneath, while the factory aluminum 15-inch wheels maintain the authentic appearance that collectors love. Everything about this car reflects Buick's philosophy of combining executive-class comfort with serious performance. But the true masterpiece sits beneath that turbo hood. Power comes from Buick's legendary LC23. 8-liter turbocharged and intercooled V6 engine. During an era dominated by large V8 engines, Buick shocked the automotive world by proving that 6 cylinders, advanced turbocharging, and intelligent engineering could outperform much bigger rivals. Factor rated at 245 horsepower and an astonishing 355 pound-feet of torque, the numbers barely tell the whole story. This engine produced incredible low-end torque that launched the Regal with brutal acceleration. Many enthusiasts believed Buick intentionally underrated the horsepower figures, and real-world performance quickly backed up those claims. Backing this legendary engine is the trusted 204R 4-speed automatic transmission, perfectly matched to the turbocharged power delivery. Smooth around town, yet aggressive under full throttle, the transmission helped make the Turbo T one of the quickest production cars America had ever seen. Power reaches the pavement through a durable 342 limited slip rear axle, ensuring both rear tires work together during hard launches. Combined with rear-wheel drive, this setup transforms every green light into an unforgettable experience. Despite being nearly 4 decades old, the engineering still impresses modern enthusiasts. Performance upgrades on this example make it even more desirable. The upgraded Wilwood Hydroboost braking system dramatically improves stopping power while maintaining excellent pedal feel. Power front disc brakes, rear drum brakes, power steering, and factory suspension provide a driving experience that remains surprisingly comfortable without sacrificing confidence. The factory 15-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in 215 65R15 tires preserve the original stance while providing the classic appearance every collector appreciates. Open the door, and the luxury continues. Inside, you're welcomed by a beautiful blue cloth interior that perfectly complements the exterior finish. Comfortable reclining bucket seats provide excellent support whether cruising on the highway or enjoying spirited weekend drives. The center console gives the cabin a sporty yet upscale atmosphere, while power windows add convenience expected from a premium Buick. A tilt steering column allows drivers to find the perfect driving position, and the factory AM/FM radio with cassette player and integrated clock instantly transports you back to the golden era of analog motoring. Even the power antenna reminds you of a time when every luxury feature was designed with elegance and purpose. Unlike stripped-down muscle cars, the Regal Turbo T never forced drivers to sacrifice comfort for speed. Air conditioning keeps every drive enjoyable, making this classic just as capable of long-distance cruising as it is dominating stoplight races. Looking underneath this Turbo T reveals just how carefully it has been maintained. New fuel lines improve long-term reliability, while new brake lines provide added confidence during every drive. A completely refreshed exhaust system allows the turbocharged V6 to breathe properly while delivering the distinctive exhaust note enthusiasts recognize instantly. The painted floorboards, painted frame, and painted crossmember demonstrate meticulous restoration work, creating an undercarriage that's almost as impressive as the body itself. The stock front suspension maintains the authentic Buick driving characteristics that collectors appreciate. What truly makes the 1987 Buick Regal Turbo T legendary isn't simply its specifications, it's the reputation. This was one of the original sleeper cars parked beside Corvettes, Camaros, Mustangs, or even European sports cars. Few people expected this comfortable Buick coupe to dominate the quarter mile. Yet time after time, the Turbo T embarrassed competitors with effortless turbocharged acceleration. Its success wasn't built on flashy styling. It was built on intelligent engineering, relentless torque, and confidence. Today, collector demand continues to grow because buyers recognize just how historically important these turbocharged Buicks really are. Original examples, especially those preserved or professionally restored like this one, have become highly desirable investments. With its legendary LC2 turbocharged V6, dependable 204R transmission, desirable Y56 Turbo T package, upgraded Wilwood Hydroboost braking system, beautifully preserved blue-on-blue color combination, carefully restored undercarriage, and premium factory options, this example represents everything collectors search for. At $87,900, this Regal Turbo T isn't simply buying a classic Buick, it's owning one of America's greatest performance secrets, a car that challenged V8 dominance, a machine that forever changed turbocharged performance, and a legend that continues proving you never judge speed by appearances. If you enjoyed this incredible 1987 Buick Regal Turbo T, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications because we feature the world's most legendary muscle cars, rare classics, luxury collector vehicles, and automotive icons every week. Which would you choose, the famous Grand National or this incredibly rare Turbo T? Let us know in a sub below, and we'll see you in the next automotive adventure.